Today we got an HP laptop that is beeping loudly when booting. So let me show you the exact issue. However, laptop does boot after all. So if your laptop is doing the same but it's booting and you can actually use it, it's only beeping when it's starting. The key problem, in my opinion, for all these kind of laptops is the keyboard. So today I'm gonna remove the keyboard and hopefully we're gonna be able to sort this issue. I will let it boot. Once it boots, I'm gonna switch it off, and then we're gonna dismantle this keyboard, this section. Then we're gonna replace with another keyboard, and we're gonna see did we actually sort the issue. Okay, so we're gonna switch it off. This particular model is Pavilion DV6, and I think there is only one screw from behind that holds the keyboard. Let it switch off. I think that's good. No, it is still on. Okay, now it's off. Usually for the keyboard on your laptops, it's gonna have a mark like this one that it's gonna point that this screw is holding your keyboard. So you need to look for this kind of marks for your keyboard to be released. Alright, let's unscrew that one. But I assume there is more underneath here, so I'm gonna unscrew this one and then we'll see if there is any more in this area. So I just removed it, and actually there is more. So there is one more here, and I think that would be all. Like this one and this one on this side, which I already removed. So we will unscrew this one now. Okay, so this is done. My advice when you do this kind of stuff, just unplug the battery, because sometimes it can happen that it can short something. Okay, let's turn it around and we'll try slowly to remove that keyboard. So this keyboard does have this plastic cover as well, so it's a bit harder to remove, but you just need to find the weak spot around the keyboard and you will be able to just crack it slowly out. I'm recommending not to use the metal stuff, use just plastic stuff, because you're gonna scratch your laptop. Alright. And as I thought. Alright. So let's make sure that this was the keyboard issue. So now once I plug the charger and start up the laptop, which is starting on automatically, it should not beep. And it does not beep. So we have here an extra keyboard. It's used obviously, but we're gonna replace this keyboard. Actually, we're gonna put this one here, so you will be able to use the laptop, but the laptop is not beeping anymore, so basically that is solution. I'm still gonna make sure that this keyboard is going to work, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so to plug the keyboard, there is this connector, and it needs to go here. You just need to lift this up, place your keyboard connector. I just hope this keyboard is working, because I removed it from a non-working laptop, so let's hope it's going to work. So once that's in, just clip it up, put your keyboard back. Let's see the moment of truth. I don't know why the laptop is starting on its own. I guess because there is no battery. Let's see. Okay, so it is not beeping anymore. So basically that is the solution of the laptop beeping and still working, because there is a a lot of times that laptop, when you try to start it, it's beeping, but it's not turning on, it's staying black screen. That's something else. So this is the solution for the laptop, beeping and keep booting up. If you have any question, let me know.